welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about Firefly's AI website, that how you can use this website and how you can use this website for transcribing your meeting audio notes. Okay, so first of all, go to the Firefly's AI. So that's our website. You can go to the fireflies.ai website directly and you will reach out to the main page of the Fireflies, and it will look something like this. You will click on the accept all cookies button. Here you will see a request demo as well as you will see a get started button. Let me give you an overview of this website. When you sign up, you will get this kind of interface. Like you will connect this account with your Zoom meeting account, or you can say Google Meet, and it will whatever the meeting you set it for, it will automatically transcribe your meeting note, or you can also upload your audio here and it will transcribe the notes for you, okay, in just a few clicks, because it's an AI based website and it do the work with 95% accuracy, and it sports 100 plus language like that. It can transcribe meetings in English, Spanish, French and several others. It also recognizes speaker recognition feature, and it also do auto language detection. Okay, so we will click on this get started button. Here you will continue with the Google account because we are opening this for the first time, so I will continue with Google account for signing up on this website. Or you can also click here for the continue button. So here you will enter your account and it will log into your account for the Firefly. Let me log in first. So finally our account has been created on this website, and then you will just go to the main page of Firefly. Let me check if it has successfully logged in. No, it's still giving us the error. Let me do it again. So yes, finally our account is created. Now we will select this option, everyone on invite all meeting with the link, and then we click on the continue button. You can see you can do enable unlimited transcript. So let's do some settings here. You can select the option as per your requirement. Okay, so which tools do you use for the, you can also select this one, or you can do go to Zendesk as well. So these are the basic settings. So click on note now. You will get start with your 7 days free trial, in which you will get unlimited transcription and AI notes, conversation intelligence and analytics, and you can also download transcripts, audio and video. So as soon as you start with the free trial, you have to enter your credit card details as well. Obviously I'm not going for this option right now because I'm just telling you how you can do these things. After starting with the free trial, you will then connect your meeting account with this website, and it will automatically start recording and transcribing your meeting notes. So that's how you can use this app, Firefly's AI website, for creating your transcription of the your meeting notes. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.